Hello, good morning. Today's date is 13 August 2021 and my name is Nilesh Hanmanta Shinde and I am going to describe today's video topic. The today's video topic name is MCV versus REST. So let me discuss more about what is the MCV. MCV, there are let me discuss basic structure of the web application. There is a one user, there is a one server, and there is a one database. So first we know about the user. The user sends the request to the server, and server is a get data from the database and it's sent to user. So in that server we use Spring, and for the database we use SQL. So let me understand more about the server. The server consists three components which is named as a MCV, that is the model. M stands for the model, C for the controller, and V for the view. So let me understand what is the exactly working of the MCV. When the user want to get some data from the database, then it sends a request to controller. The controller is accept that request and if you want to filter this request for example, if there is any virus including in request response, then we can filter. The filter is a part of the server, and which is filtered request before the receiving of controller. Then the controller passes this request to the model, and the model is a intermediate between the controller and the database. The model get the request from the controller via get the request from user via controller, and it gets a list or the data from the server in database. For example, it takes from the SQL table list. Then it after the receiving the data from the database, and it send this data to the controller, and the controller is not able to the data in that controller which is not human readable. We cannot read this data. So the controller passes this data to view, and the view is convert the data into user readable data, and after that it's sent to user. So after the view is sent data to user on the screen, so we can read this data. If we don't use view, then we cannot be read this data. So this is a MCV. Now we discuss about what is the REST. The REST is a advanced form of the MCV. The REST is nothing but a server. Inside that there is a one controller and the model. There is a view is not present in that. So there is a one technology is used between the user and the server, that is known as Angular, or any other technology we can use instead of this. And when the user sends a request to server, then it passes from the Angular, and it received by the controller, and controller is passes to that request to model, and the model is get list from the server, database, and it receive the data from the database, and it is also sent to controller, and the controller is send this data to the Angular, and the Angular is converted its human readable form, and it is sent to user. So there is a view part is a that is the Angular technology. By using the REST, we can separation between the Angular technology, that is the front end technology, and the backend technology, that is the server. So we can separate this. So that is all about the what is the MCV and the REST. Thank you.